Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. OMG. I have two dies to share with you today, and the first one is coming from Nicole from Nicole Silhouette. And look at her beautiful envelope. Look at this, something special just for you. I'm keeping these stamps, yes, all the way from the Netherlands. And it says thank you. All right, so I was watching her one day and she was talking about some dies that she created, these miniature flower dies, very tiny flowers that she wanted to create for herself, but she also wanted to, oh boy, let me get the envelope out of there. She also wanted to share it so that, you know, the cost of creating the die would be, you know, reasonable. But anyway, this is her beautiful card. It says thank you, and that is her social media here, and I'm pretty sure you all know who she is, but just in case, I will link her social media down below. She sold these beautiful dies through her Etsy shop, and she was trying to sell it to, you know, the sellers, whatever, the little small shops. Nobody was interested in these flower dies, but her followers, which is us, of course, we were interested. I forget what the name of these flowers are called, but she shared it on her channel. And yeah, it took a little bit of time because it's coming from the Netherlands, and she also had to wait for the manufacturer to send it to her so that she could send it to us. So look at how cute. So let me see if I find my ruler. Oh my gosh. Okay, got my ruler. And we're going to measure the smallest set. You guys can see here the size difference on these flower sets. I believe this one's a hydrangea. I'm not sure, but we're going to call it a hydrangea. I don't know. So this little flower, the largest size, from tip to tip, petal tip to petal tip, it's about a 1 1/4 inch. So that is super tiny. And then the smallest one, we're going to measure the same. It's about 3/4 of an inch. Just about, just a hair short of 3/4 of an inch. So that is a great little flower. Can't wait to cut that one up. Now the second one, they're all different styles of flowers, but I don't remember the name of the flowers. And I believe she said she might be restocking this because she didn't purchase too many. The largest flower on here is about 1.5 inches. And then the smallest one is about 7/8 of an inch. So just a hair short of 1 inch. And then the largest one of the three flowers, from petal to petal, let's see, where can we measure? Right there. About 1.5 inches. So they look different, like different sizes, but they're pretty much the same. The largest flower, 1.5 inches. And then the smallest one, our smallest flower, is right under 1 inch. Yeah, so that is a cute size flower. And she is selling, or she did sell, the greenery to put on the back of your flower. You know how those the green petals on the back of your flowers usually come. Let me see if I can show you an example. Okay, so you see this little green star-like image or piece? She made a die, similar shape, but different textures. And she sells it in the 4 different sizes. It comes as a set like this, and it'll have the right size for these 3 flowers. I did not pick it up because it was after the fact, and I'm afraid that if I order it, it might not come in time for me as far as me moving soon. So yeah, let me see if I should run this through just so we can see how small exactly these flowers are. Grab some paper here. We could just get a small sample of the flowers. Okay, I'm gonna put this one here. All right, I'm gonna put this one here and this one here. So let me run this real quick. Hopefully we can get this. So Nicole's the one that designs some of the dies for KS Crafts. And also, if you're familiar with Erica, Scrap Diva 29, she also designs dies for her. Or that's where Erica picks up her dies from Nicole. So you're gonna love her dies, of course, right? Let me see. I don't want to be wasteful. I'm already wasteful, but just cut it down, make it a little easier. All right, let me just finish running this one through. Okay. So here's the first one. This is the smallest of the set. Look at that. Ooh, nice. Oh, that's very nice. Nicole, so pretty. I just want to lay it out so that we got the right size. The right size is going through here. So now maybe I should have run it through. Uh-oh. You don't really see the embossing on it because I'm using the precision plate and it's not showing too well. Oops. Oh my gosh, thing stuck in there. Okay. My little thing is getting stuck. Pokey tool. So this is the largest flower, and here is the smallest flower. It should have embossed on here, but because I'm using the metal precision plate, it's not coming up too clear. So I'm going to change the cutting mat. Let me change my cutting mat. Put that there. Oh yeah, you guys, I cracked my cutting mat. Oh my gosh. So this one it comes in two. It comes with two, and mine broke. It cracked open like a chickpea. So let me cut this one more time and see if makes a difference. Hold on, guys. I don't know where. I already forgot how to make a regular sandwich with this thing. Oh, hopefully this goes through. Maybe not. Okay, let's see if it embosses this time. If that made any of a difference for it. Oh my gosh. Yep, it did. I can see the impressions already on the back side of the paper. You see that? See those ridges? That is the embossing on the flowers. Just poking them through, see if they pop out. So it cuts pretty good, but because it's so tiny, it just stays in there. It's so tight. It's holding on to the paper. Okay, so I'll show you this one. You see the embossing on the petals there, right here? And then she also shaped it. So let's get the other one going. So if you use this on the precision plates, your flower impressions are not going to be so great. But I changed it out to the rubber style, the regular cutting mat, and it shows the impressions. Okay, let me move that off here. So I'm thinking this doesn't have it either. Oh, some of it does. Okay, some of it does show on here, but it's so pretty. You can see the veins on the petals. Oh boy, I can't. Hopefully you guys can see the details. I don't know. It's hard to see when the camera is so high up and there's a glare and all that good stuff. So move that out of the way. And yes, I know I just ordered flowers from Louisa, but yeah, I'm not going to use that for a hot minute. And it's the colors, you know, if in case you want to start making your own flowers, you got options, which is what I want. I love options. Yeah. Like, who doesn't want options, right? So the smaller petals didn't really put an impression. Once again, because we used the precision cutting mat. So it showed up on part of it, didn't show up on all of it. Okay, so that's the last one. And yeah, neither did they show on these. Like barely. You could barely see the impressions. And just know that you should use a different mat. But Nicole, I love your flowers. They are gorgeous. Let me get myself straight here. Okay. I can't wait to cut them out, make more flowers. Even if it is just going to stay in my room. You know? Don't always have to give your flowers away. So, there we go. So those are her flowers from Nicole Silhouettes. And I believe she came out with some new ones. And she'll be selling on her Etsy. If you go right now, you can find it because it sells out pretty fast. Okay, so those are her flowers. Let me see if I can shape it. And what she did, you know, you can shape it however way you like. But I think I like it this one right here. Look at the dimension on that. And super easy. Whoops. She also put some stamens in the center. She has the holes in the center of the flowers. And you could put your stamens in if you know what the stamens are. Put like 2, 3, or however many you want. And oh my gosh, look at that. Even without the stamens. It's so cute. You know, just play with it. It's your flower. Make it however you want. And then turn it over. Add that to the middle. Do the petals. And I want to just thank Wanda, who is Wandy Sweets on Instagram and YouTube. She does lives with me a few times. And she showed me how to shape a flower. So let me just add let me put the hot glue. So, oh no, maybe not the hot glue. It's not on. Okay, let's put this flower together. So I'm just going to put it on the circle part, around the circle. And then just rotate that petals a little bit so they're not completely lined up. Some glue again. And then add your petal. Gosh, so cute. What a beautiful flower. And she designed these, she designed these flowers. And she was saying, you know, how she loves flowers in her card making. And she loves to have flowers, but sometimes the flowers are just too big. They're too big for her liking. So she created her own flowers. Look at that. So pretty. And I'm going to throw in a little sequin, if I can find one. A little yellow flower. Oops, sorry for the shaking. I'm going to take that. Okay. It's just a plastic flower, sequin flower from Dollar Tree. Just going to add that to the center. Oh my gosh, look at this little teeny tiny flower. So gorgeous. Okay, so that's that. I'm not going to make all the flowers right this minute. I'll do that off camera. I wanted to share also that I did contact Coco and Reno, for those of you who follow me and know my story with the whole Coco and Reno. They contacted me and told me that something had gone, I don't know, something went wrong with the payment, but this comes before the last one that I hauled with you guys. And I told them, okay, well, just fix it and I'm willing to pay for it. They went ahead and sent it to me, guys. I didn't even pay for it. They did not charge me for this one. And I appreciate that. But what it is, this was last month's die set for the monthly subscription. These are the edges. And I finally got it. They sent this to me. And you get a whole bunch of edges. And I was more so wanting this die right here. The pretty bows and the hearts. This is the one I was really wanting. The others are very pretty. They're pretty too, but I really wanted those two dies. This one's more like a doily edge right here. And then this one with the flowers. Then you just have a scalloped edge, which is so cute. I'll put that on. And then the last one are some flowers. So very cute, right? And to not get your monthly subscription kind of hurts. But it's not like there's not enough time to use it. So I did cut out the bows, and I'll show it to you real quick because I was just so anxious. Look at this green foil bows. Oh my gosh. How pretty is that? You know what I'm saying? Like, look at this cutie. Oh my God. Super tiny. So that is what I got to share with you guys. I'm recording this at 3 in the afternoon, so most likely I will be getting another haul coming here soon, because like I said, I usually order from Amazon. Amazon doesn't send everything in all at once together, so most likely I will be doing another haul. Okay, so that is it, guys. Thank you all for watching, and please subscribe if you're new here. Welcome to the group, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these kinds of videos. And go ahead and leave a comment down below if you even like these little teeny tiny flowers, and I'll try to show more of the other flowers. So I'll see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.